Well, it's a good day now, right? That's how you gotta look at it.
You have to work the whole weekend?
No, today was day 12, so I worked last weekend.
I worked last weekend too. It's great fun.
Yeah, I could have. The holes on the other, like, you've got them all looking downfield. You've got a pair. The first one, there's a pair. The second one, there's not. And the third one, there's a pair. But
they're just a little higher. You can't see them.
Oh, is that what it is?
You gotta stand on your tips, isn't it?
I was.
You should have always
It was like this. It was like, is he coming? Is he? I don't see him. Oh shit! He's barking.
Shit, there's a
Did
dog.
you look through the crack?
Dude, like what crack?
I'm like, dude, I can see through the cracks over there.
Yeah, the far sides, the boards are a lot tighter than the far side. Everyone loved it. Everyone talked about how great of a helper he was. And, down to Coke Zero in between every dog he worked. When he'd work a dog for like 15 minutes, but he'd take 44 steps. How many steps a day? 44. So if you think about it, you walk to the pisser, you're already over 44. Right. And that was a 15-minute, like, shits and 3 dog protection. And then he'd go back to his Coke Zero. He just had a little pile of Coke Zero cans.
I think that stuff's kind of nasty. I tried it, but I think I really do either. But it's got like some kind of sweetener or something in it.
That guy was probably a good 275, 300. Maybe an inch or two taller than me. He's a big one. He's pretty rough.
Yeah, after that first line, he was slowing down and checking the road.
The second one, I hit him on the ass too.
You got him again?
Yeah,
The second round?
the third. No, the second blind. Yeah. But then after that, like, yeah, he was looking.
Well, that's really, I think it's only the second time and a half line.
Yeah. The first one though, I got a good crack on his ass. Yeah, because like when I hit him, he was already there. Like I don't saw anything. It was just like, it was like.
Is it Leia?
Yeah.
Oh, Leia.
That's her little harness part. Yeah. I was thinking too, not today, but you know, something that I need to do with Cruz. Remember earlier before the trial, fucking transport. I'm not worried about it today. I think we made good progress the last couple of months.
You don't start with the back transport. The rest is just peanuts.
I know, but it's a side transport that he's all used to. Back transport, he'll be alright.
See, Nick is getting himself a lot of people.
Nick loves this stuff. He does.
We had a guy here.
Their key
I
light?
know the name is very familiar. Maybe just from hearing stories.
He went to a seminar.
Is it Flinks? Bernard Flinks. You
Yeah,
ever
he
went to
followed
Bernard
him
Flinks?
around the country.
That was the only seminar he went to. He went to it 10 times.
Probably more than that.
Abe Spruder went to a seminar that they told her if her dog would calmly hold a hot dog in its mouth, the dumbbell was not going to be an issue. It was like,
A lot of retriever guys make him hold a egg. So they're soft. Yeah.
I'm like, seriously?
They're gonna eat that fast. What about
Yeah, well, I can do that. I mean, I can do that with Ken.
No!
what about what I said when I said to Larky? I can't quite remember myself, but it was something I said, what did you do? Or something like, where do you get your money from, man? Like, that was hilarious.